Hey, it's Blockhead and welcome back to my channel. I am here at the Seminole Harley dealership in Orlando with Cheyleesi.
No, wait. I'm Cheyleesi.
Also, her two wheels is here. Hey. How do you do?
Listen up, baby. Here at Seminole Harley Davidson, and let me tell you what, man. Courtney just left, and there's a new girl who stole my heart the second I saw her. And let me tell you, her name is Blockhead, baby. And in a hard second place is Jess.
Sexy girl. Oh my God, who is she?
Her name is Jeff. My name's Jeff.
Wow, a dog. I've never seen one of those before. You're over here cuddling a dog, being a goddamn nerd, talking about Bilbo Baggins, and I'm welcome. You're welcome. You know what I do? Wheelies, drugs, girls. You're welcome, Jess. Shadetree Surgeon here. Girls, money, wheelies, bad ones.
He even smells like a puppy. I love him so much. Bilbo, you good boy. I love you so much. I'm gonna cry. He's an angel.
Next morning.
It is the next day after hanging out with Blockhead and her two wheels. I didn't have much time to pull my camera out. Thank you so much to the Seminole Harley Davidson dealership in Stanford for having us. We definitely appreciate any time somebody invites us to come and be ridiculous. I swear every interaction we had was so genuine and so lovely, and I'm so excited to meet you guys at the Forgotten Angels camp out. That being said, it is so soon to the Forgotten Angels camp out. So that means it's time to prep all of the t-shirts, all of the stickers that we're gonna have for sale, and just generally get our shit together, because you know we wait until the very last minute because of who we are as people. Bilbo, leave it! This is a constant state of having a dog. He's eating a piece of Drake fur. We ordered size small up to 2 or 3XL, I believe. I've done 3 of the boxes that came in so far, and I have 1 left to go. I am very tired. I'm starting this new thing where I'm waking up early. I think that I am off to a great start. All the shirts are packed and ready to go for the camp out. I'd say everybody's ready for bed.
The next morning.
I slept in. Cats are angry. He's pissed. Okay, the adults got fed. It's Bilbo's turn. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Great. Good. Ice too strong. Why is the ice so strong? Here we go.
as of right now, you haven't even done a seat reveal. Is that a thing? A seat reveal? I guess it is. You're revealing the seat. Reveal that seat. Oh my god, that is so freaking cool. You've just tripled the value of the PC800.
The most expensive thing on my PC800 is going to be the seat.
Wow, that's crazy. You got, I don't know how good this quality is going to show up in the video, but this thing is out of control. We got, of course, the driver's seat right here. I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb here and say probably one of the very few custom seats on a PC800 period, let alone something on this level.
Especially at this level. So my Aunt Debbie hand drew this pattern, and then my uncle stitched it with the like laser stitcher, but she didn't like how it ended up coming out. So she ended up going and redoing it, so it was one single stitch start to finish instead of going over the stitching again.
Yeah, so that's one single pattern.
Yeah, it's one.
No one's gonna appreciate that. Yeah, no one's gonna appreciate that. That's one single unbroken pattern without going back over anything.
And
but
she
there it is.
Drew it. She's so special. They did such a good job.
Yeah, there it is.
They did such a good job.
Yeah, there it is. All right, put it on that piece of crap bike.
Man, I felt bad giving this to them because I gave them the worst possible seat I could. I think, yeah.
Cool, remember you can use the ratchet to take them out too.
Right,
like the,
right. Use your brain, Shay.
Yeah, there you go. That's why it's got that, what's called knurling. That little hatch mark there. Go, don't lose that.
And we don't have another one. Maybe I will do that by hand.
All right, let's just pull right off. See ya. There's the gas tank underneath the seat. Boom. That is backwards.
Yeah, it is.
Boom. This just went from a $1,000 bike to a $2,000 bike. Oh, nice, a pumpkin. How fun.
Right? It goes in my head.
Oh, cool.
I did a photo shoot with it today.
I love it.
Me and Maria are here at the Coastal Creative for a Floridian art show that I'm featured in. That she's actually featured in. So we're gonna go enjoy some fine art in Sydney, where the only difference between a fine artist and a felon is a permit to paint on the building. I can't believe Maria took me somewhere where they sell plants. She knew, she's evil. Maria knows that I have literally no self-control, so I just bought 3 more responsibilities. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's episode. The only way to purchase a Brapstar t-shirt is going to be to come to the Forgotten Angels campout. We are running sizes small to 4XL, and we'll be selling the shirts for $30 at the campgrounds. So come to the Forgotten Angels campout October 22nd to 24th. Yeah. And come hang out with us. The raffle for the Road King Kong will be open until the Friday of Forgotten Angels. So make sure you get your $25 raffle tickets while you still can. Having a new custom seat on my PC 800 is so cool. My aunt and uncle have endless possibilities with the machines and the creativity that they hold, and I'm so excited for any future projects that we will collaborate on, so make sure you keep your eyes open for that as well. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the ding dong diddle, and do all the things, and I will see you here on Sunday. Bye!
Shadetree Surgeon here. Girls, money, wheelies, bad ones.